If you're watching this video, chances are you're either thinking about getting locks, or you already booked the appointment and now you're spiraling just a little bit. And I get it. Before I started my locks, I watched every video, read every comment, and still feel like nobody was really talking about the real stuff. So today I'm breaking down 10 things you should know before getting locks. The good, the uncomfortable, the unexpected, and the things I truly wish someone had told me before I started. This isn't to scare you, it's to prepare you. So if you're considering locks, or if you're in your starter lock era right now, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is this: locks are not just a hairstyle. They are a commitment, not just time-wise, but mentally. There will be moments where you will question your decision, moments where your hair doesn't look like how you imagined, moments where you miss your loose hair, your curls, and just your options. If you're someone who changes their hair every day, every week, every 2 weeks, you really want to ask yourself if you're ready for a long-term journey. Because locks teach patience whether you're ready or not. And the more you fight that, the harder the journey feels. I know people don't like saying this, but it's true. There will be a phase where your locks don't look cute. They might be frizzy, uneven, puffy, or just doing their own thing. And no, you didn't do anything wrong. The phase just looks different for everyone, but it's part of the locking process. Your hair is just literally figuring itself out. The quicker you stop comparing your starter locks to someone else's matured locks, the more peace you'll have. Trust me. Okay, if you're attached to length, take a deep breath. Because shrinkage is real. Your hair might look long when you start, and then suddenly it looks like it lost 5 inches overnight. That's normal. That's your hair tightening and locking. Shrinkage doesn't mean your hair isn't growing. It means it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Length comes back, but patience is the price. Okay, this one surprises a lot of people. You do not need to load your locks with products to make them grow or lock faster. In fact, too much product can cause buildup, lint issues, and slow locking. Your hair thrives when it's clean, hydrated, and not suffocated. Simple routines usually work best, especially in the beginning. Your locks don't need to be greasy to be healthy. This is a big one. More retwists do not equal faster growth. Over twisting can thin your locks, stress your scalp, and cause breakage long term. Most people do well with retwists every 4 to 8 weeks. Your roots do not need to be laid at all times for your locks to be valid. Your diet, stress levels, sleep, hydration, all of that shows up in your locks. Dry scalp, excessive shedding, slow growth. It's not always about products. Sometimes it's about what's going on internally. Locks really force you to pay attention to your overall wellness. They're not just sitting on your head looking cute. They're responding to how you treat yourself. Someone will always have thicker locks, longer locks, locks that locked faster. That has nothing to do with you. Hair texture, density, starting methods, maintenance routines, all of it really matters. Your lock journey is unique, and comparison will only make you feel behind when you're not. Your locks aren't late, they're just yours. Please hear me when I say this. Clean hair is healthy hair, even with locks. Washing your hair will not unravel your locks if done properly. In fact, washing helps your hair lock over time. A clean scalp supports growth. Dirty hair does not equal faster locking. This myth needs to be put to rest. Locks are going to teach you acceptance. You start appreciating texture, volume, individuality, and imperfection in ways you might not have thought before. You stop chasing perfection and start embracing what your hair naturally does. And there's something really freeing about that. It's not just a hair change, it's a mindset shift. So nothing about locks is instant. Growth takes time, maturity takes time, confidence takes time. But the reward, it's watching your hair evolve with you. And that's honestly one of the most beautiful parts of the journey. If you're thinking about starting Locs, I hope this video gave you some clarity. And if you're already on your journey, let this be a reminder that you're doing just fine. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you wish you knew before starting Locs? I'll see you in the next one.